become what you are is to become of what you are capable of becoming. For every living soul has its own talent, perseverance, and wit. So never be afraid. Just be yourself. Maayong gabi! 1, 2, 3. I am Luis Sicat, 19, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. From my beloved university, Universidad de Manila. At opo, scholar po ako ng bayan. And tonight, and I always strongly advocate and to inspire that each and every one of us, that regardless of our sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, we should always choose to be the truest representation of ourselves and never be afraid to show it to the world. And tonight, since this is the pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the multimedia superstar, ang artista na, vlogger pa, Miss Alex Gonzaga. I-check niyo pa. Isang pagpupugay sa masaganang ani at sa pinakamasisipag na magsasakang Pilipino. Dahil ngayong gabi, lubos ko pong ipinagmamalaki ang higit pa sa isang kasuotan, ang pagdakila at isang paalala na sa bawat pag-aararo ng lupa, binhing itinatanim ay may buhay, may pag-asa, at may kinabukasang umaani ng tagumpay. Masaganang ani from Palay Festival, probinsya ng Quezon, Pilipinas. Good evening.
Gaganahang magpakilala kung walang baon ng barangay 123 ng isang masigabong hiyawan at palakpakan dyan. Maraming salamat po. De, sashimi te, chilado, pashamigi bemdeza, mostra tudo que se sabe. Kyukaba, analisa, or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Instead of saying, sobrang Latina, why we should not say, sobrang Pilipina ng babae ba? Joke lamang ho. A young girl standing here in front of your naked eye is indeed fresh. Yes, fresh na fresh. Indeed, 17-year-old stunner, hailing all the way where the Lagbayan Festival and Santo Niño de Tondo are celebrated. Tondo, Manila. My real name is Heaven Humawan, a currently senior high school student taking humanities and social sciences. But tonight, this is a beauty pageant Allow me to carry the image of the one who captures the heart of Mr. Gerald Anderson. Minsan yun ho akong napanood. Sa Mirabella. At pinanood yun na rin ho ako sa sinehan sa Unhappy for You. Bigyan ho natin ng masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Julia Barreto na naniniwala sa isang kasabihan na bago mo sundin ang tibok ng puso mo, sundin mo muna ang sigaw ng nanay mo. Once again, this is Heaven Umawan. Greeting you all, anong ulam? Joke lamang ho. Mabuhay. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest show.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number 17. So candidates, please prepare for our swimmer competition.
Sayaw ta sa kadalanan, ginamit ang tanang katawhan. Sa ulubog ta ang kapistahan, sa tiyagang kilabihan. Ihalad ta ang atong bunga.
For a glorious, spectacular evening, beautiful people, I always believe that love is the essence of life because its wonderful feeling can be found in the hearts of everyone, to the simplest and to the highest craftsman here on earth, so unconsumable, yet surreal. Standing in front of you is a graduate of Bachelor in Public Administration, and I am currently taking my master's degree in Public Administration from Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela. I am Lloyd Angel Pangilinan, and I am proud 22-year-old listener, hailing all the way from Barangay 121, Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, Board of Educators, and to all audiences tonight, so let me send back the name of your one and only. Ako po, ang babaeng bida na. Ay, day! Kontrabida pa. Ako po ang babaeng minsan niyo pong sinubaybayan sa La Vida, Lena. The world has one speak, your one and only, Miss Erich Gonzalez. And I am proud as I am wearing this modern Filipiniana ballet costume, which gives significance not just only the people here in the Philippines, but rather to our hard working farmers. Kaya wala pong personalan, magtatanong lamang po ako, nasa na nga po ba ang ipinangakong 20 pesos na bigas? Judges, mark my number because I can give you a show and a night to remember. Thank you. Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lamang po. You know what? I always believe that the physical attributes of a person in time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime.
That's why once, should be careful with your thoughts. Because your thoughts may become your words. Your words may become your actions. And your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. A glorious and glamorous evening. People of Barangay 123 is standing before you is a fresh and innocent, just only 16 years old this summer, but truly hailing all the way from Tondo, Manila. And I am currently studying at National Teachers College, Manila, taking Humanities and Social Sciences strand. This is Jace Montero. But since tonight, this is a competition, hayaan niyo po kong hiramin ang pagkatao ng isa sa may pinakamagandang mukha sa trans pageantry. Opo, ako nga po, Binibining Cassie Pakulan. Cassie Pakulan ho na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga o isang katotohanan na kung gusto mong respetuhin ka ng kapwa mo, matuto ka rin, rumispeto. Maraming salamat po.
Sayaw ta sa kadalanan, ginamit ang tanang katawhan. Sa ulugot ta ang kapistahan, sa tiyagang kilabihan. Ihalad ta ang atong buka, buligan ta sa mga kasa. Si San Carlos Borromeo ang puanta, sa kahitasan sa likha. Pinta Flores, maglibay ta Pinta Flores. Sayaw ta Pinta Flores, awiton ta Pinta Flores. Pinta Flores, maglibay ta Pinta Flores. Sayaw ta Pinta Flores, awiton ta Pinta Flores. Sa ulugon ta.
Celebrating human diversity and equality for humanity. And I always believe God, what of the center of the show. Wearing my national costume from Atiatian Festival, province of Aklan. My name is Apple Heart Morales. I'm 20 years old and all the way from the capital of the Philippines, the biggest, largest city of the Philippines, South and North. I'm from Caloocan City. And tonight, this is a beauty pageant. Allow me to stand by in your one and only Empress. Yes, I am. Ako nga ang babae, minsan na rin pong nagpatibok kay Mr. Cheese Escudero, your one and only, Miss Binibining Heart Evangelista. Miss Binibining Heart Evangelista na nagbibigay paalala sa bawat kandidata. Tama na po ang paramihan ng corona dahil ay turing na lena wala sa aming mga kandidata, kundi na sa baraha. Judges, always my truly national costume at Yat-Yat Festival, province of Aklan. Thank you.
Saan man dakang buong bansa, ang galing mo kapatid kailanman ito.
Sa layo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan mula sa isang natatanging lungsod, sa hilagang kanluran ng Kamaynilaan, people of Barangay 123, for the last time, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Thank you so much. I am a transgender woman who always believed that many has been part of history, but only a few can bend history itself. And this night, on this spectacle, and this public display, we transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Well, a glamorous evening, beautiful people, is standing here before you is so fresh and indeed innocent 19 years old listener who truly hailing all the way from the fishing capital of the Philippines and where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated, Navotas City. My real name is Cheska Ramirez at Opo. I am your Miss Gay Teen Valentine's 2023. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel of educators, Ma'am Sir, and to all audience here tonight, let me carry and conquer the image of your one and only. I am the woman who give pride to the Philippines. Your Binibining Pilipinas Miss Universe 2019. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay na palakpakan at iyawan? Your one and only Empress, Binibining Gasini Ganados. Miss Gasini Ganados, who truly believes in a saying that the best thing to be accepted is to be yourself. And judges, for you to be able to wear a national costume, it is not of how big, how extravagant or glamorous your costume is, but it is how you give life and justice within the costume that you are wearing. Because let us always remember, it is not what you wear, but it is how you wear it. And I am very proud to wear this Ibon Ebon Festival all the way from the municipality of Candaba, province of Pampanga. My country, your country, our very own, the Philippines. Mabuhay!
Pilipinas, ganda na Pilipinas, ganda na Pilipinas, kita na ang gawin ng Pilipino, ganda na Pilipinas, oo, ganda na Pilipinas. Saan man dako, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Awit mo ay salamig ng iyong buhay. Aawitin ang buong bansa. Ang galing mo, kapatid, kailanman buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta. Kanta ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Kanta ng Pilipinas, oo, kanta ng Pilipinas. Ang galing mo, kapatid, kailanman buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta. Kanta ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay ang nanay. Ang hindi pumalakpak na may kasamang hiyawan, mamamatay ang tatay. Mga uto-uto, joke lamang po. Sa layo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, ang baho ng may. This is Jamaica Vicente,
Heading all the way last from Suman, Mangga-Kasoy, Sumaka Festival, Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. Jamaica Vicente na nagsasabing, hindi mo na kailangan ng shabu at marijuana. Kung sa akin pa lang, sabog ka na. Maraming salamat po.
Pilipinas, di mo kapatid kailanman. Kung bansa ngayon ay tatandaan. Taranang ng Pilipinas, kita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Taranang ng Pilipinas, oh, taranang ng Pilipinas. Palagi, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, sadyang lahat ay iyong pinapahanap. Pakikinig sa kwento ng iyong buhay at saksi ang buong bansa. Anday, taranang ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Taranang ng Pilipinas, oh, taranang ng Pilipinas.
People of Tondo, Manila, hi! Hello! Saan ka punta? Road trip! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag na pintas. Kaya naragsak karabi kadatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one. To our distinguished and honorable panel of judges, ma'am, sir, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am hailing all the way from the far, far away land, the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. I am currently taking my bachelor's degree in tourism management in one of the most prestigious universities in our province, the Mayupang College of Urdaneta. Distinguished panel of the Board of Judges, allow me to introduce myself. I am ML Venus Tukay. And for this evening, hayaan niyo po mag-iwan ako ng mga katagang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi naging pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na struktura, maging ang mga material na bagay at ating kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 21. I may only be your one and only Ilocana beauty queen for tonight, but allow me to compete until the end, and I will give you a show that you will definitely remember. Once again, this is Emil Venus Tukay, a proud Ilocana, Agia Manak, Tondo, Manila. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pilipinas, taranang ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Taranang ng Pilipinas, oo, taranang ng Pilipinas. Saan man dako, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Awit mo ay salamin ng Pilipinas.
mga kabataan dyan. Maano ulam? Serving you trans excellency from a pure-blooded Tamaraw. This is Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. The girl standing in front of you is a proud third-year college student who's currently taking a Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Conversion Media at Far Eastern University. Since tonight, this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of the one and only, the first trans woman who first won the title of Miss Star International 2024, your one and only Miss Patricia Payumo. Miss Patricia Payumo na nag-iwan ng isang katagang, gaano man kalaki ang baka, kasya pa rin to sa lata. Hi, thank you so much.